Fixing email notifications on your iPhone is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me. Thanks, guys. Now open up the settings here of your phone and we'll scroll down until we get to notifications and tap on that. Now, let's find the Mail app, or if you use the Gmail app, you can navigate to that tab on Mail here and make sure, of course, this is turned on. Make sure lock screen notification center and banners is also turned on. However, at the very bottom, we'll also tap on customize notifications. You can see here, for instance, if I have a specific email, I want to make sure the alert is turned on and sounds is set to whatever you want. In this case, just the new mail, but you can also just do any other ones if you want a different sound on there now. After we've done that, we also want to go back and go to other accounts and turn alerts on and make sure they're all turned on after we've done that. Let's hop out of here and swipe down from the top right. You want to make sure you don't have a focus mode turned on. So if it says do not disturb or anything, just tap on it to disable that focus mode so that you can hear those notifications as they come through, and you can also see them. The next thing I would recommend doing is heading back into your settings. Let's go back to the very beginning here. We'll scroll down until we get to sounds and apex and make sure the volume is up on here. Swipe down from the top right and make sure this volume is up as well so that you can hear those notifications as they're coming in. You might want to also disable silent mode on your iPhone. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, you can always go in and delete the Mail app or delete the account in there and reinstall it, and you should be good to go.